Alright, today we're taking out the little tiny 110, okay? So, as you see in the title, I bought this thing off freaking Amazon, like, I don't know, a couple months ago. Actually, I don't know, maybe like a year. It's been a while, for like 600 bucks. So, today I'm just gonna go hee-hawing around on the trails, see if I can't wreck it, get hurt maybe even. And yeah, see how this thing performs. Testing it, $600 off Amazon, okay? But first, we gotta do some maintenance, because to be honest, I've had this thing like, I don't know, probably like 6 months, maybe more, and I haven't done jack squat to it besides filled up with gas. But she runs, as you can see. But she does need a little bit of maintenance, probably just change the oil on it because it's about older than I am. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna take this thing riding Tao 110 freaking cc Amazon pit bike. Alrighty, well, I don't really have a pan with me right now or anything to shove under this. So I'm just gonna use this trash can lid. Sorry, Dad. Alrighty, boys, well, she's all fresh and tuned. Hey, shut up, train. Hopefully she runs a little bit better now. All I need to do is go find some baby ducks to pour this on, and then we should be ready to go rip. Okay, hopefully this thing cranks. Oh, yeah. Jeez, look at the sky. The weather's been like AIDS today. Everywhere I look, it looks like it's about to cyclone on me. Ah. Alright, let's go down to the muddy trails. As you might could tell by how muddy this thing already was. Oh! 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 Holy what? Wait a second. Wait a second. Do y'all see how big these tracks are? It's clearly a dog, or a predator, a canine. It's not a deer. It's not a bunny rabbit. It's not Bigfoot. What the heck? What things? There's literally a chupacabra out here. And that's fresh too. Oh. Yeah! Alright, let's go trailblazing. This isn't even a trail. Follow the old game trail. Wow. It is slick. I'm terrified. Oh! Oh my. Look at the rut I'm making. This thing's a beast. I don't even know if I could walk through that. Alright, let's go across the sketchy bridge. Oh man. Look at the water rushing. Holy balls. Look at this. The daggum river, and I'm about to cross over it. Alright, here we go. Oh! Yeah! Alright, see if we can't climb this slimy hill. Come on, baby! Yeah! Who needs a four-wheeler? Oh! Alright, let's go deep. We're going way deep in the trails. Definitely gonna get stuck. It's kind of spooky in here. It's kind of dark. I feel like Bigfoot is right around the corner, you know? Oh, hey! Got some little twigs down. I guess I just plow through them. Why not? Oh, they're stuck to me. Go see how high the river is. Probably pretty high. Not that high, actually. This is sketchy. I need to expand this trail because, to be honest, it sucks. Alright, stay right there. Don't move. Let's go look at the creek. Oh, shoot. The freaking thingamajiggy. This right here used to look like this. And I used to be able to walk across it, do triple backflips, whatever I wanted. Now, that's gone. I don't know what I'm going to do. But other than that, pretty much looks like a creek. Oh, the trees. Yeah. Now, I would go down that trail, but it basically leads straight to a big old four-wheeler mud hole, so I don't want to get stuck. What is this? What is this? Yeah! Let's jump off this culvert. Yeah! Get like 7 feet of air. Now, who the Henry would just leave their mailbox open like that? I need to take this puppy off of that right there is what I need to do. Send me to outer space. Oh, I know what I can do. What the heck is that? What was I talking about? Oh yeah, I can go down this trail. Have not been down it for like 10 years. Oh yeah, I forgot my little bridge down here is washed out. But I might be able to cross it. And if I can't, I'm already going down here, so I'm probably screwed. But, alright, see if I can't climb up this here. Whoa, look at this. There's like ferns everywhere. That's neat. If this video gets 6 billion likes, I will drive this cheap Amazon crappy piece of junk pit bike straight into that off this bank at Mach 2 and sink it. Oh, it is wet. Good. Oh, 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 it's starting to rain. I'm getting soaked. I'm scared. I'm calling it a day. I'm gonna go park her next to the Honda. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all on the next one.